Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2014 Pete 389 factory built glider Kit Daycab. It's built with a 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed. I've gotten it hot this afternoon. Going to do a full walk around, show you blow by, oil pressure. The truck's got total 776 on the miles. It was overhauled a little less than 200,000 ago. Let's go ahead and get started. I'll show you everything that you want to see. Body and paint's in really good shape. No damage to your fenders. We have ordered these cowls that go down right behind the hood. Just that came in yet. So a little bit of a bend on the tip of that stack there. Really the only cosmetic anything. Frame rail's in great shape. There's your hydraulic fittings there, tank. Air slide fifth wheel, air track suspension. Excellent brakes. Couple week drives is about it on this one. Just a little bit of a blemish right there on the fuel tank. Can't really notice until you get right up on it. Seats are in great shape. There's your tower. This one's also got lockers. So I said 776 and 779. A great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs, oil pressure climbs just like it's supposed to. Guys, appreciate you watching. Give me a shout if you got any questions. 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.